Hola, this is Emilia from SpanishForTeachers.org, and I'm going to show you how to use Wallwisher. This will be a 2-video tutorial. So once you sign up for free and you sign in, you'll find yourself here. If you don't, then you just click up here where it says Build a Wall on the top right. Once you're here, I always take the wall or building the wall from top left to bottom right, so you won't forget to do anything. So the first thing we're going to do is select an image over here for the wall. So I just click up here on the top left and select any image. We must do this otherwise and close, otherwise the system won't let us build the wall. So what I did is just select any image and then just clicked on close. You can also upload your own, of course. Then we go to the title and the description. So the title, of course, anything you would like. I'm going to build a wall about flamenco. And then I click outside of it on the red part to save it. Now I'm going to add the description. So I click on the description and I add my description. I usually write the instructions for my students or of what they should do. So brainstorm about this, or let's collect resources about that, or write sentences with this. So this wall is going to be flamenco resources in Spanish. And I click outside and it's saved. Now we go to preferences and the URL. I usually don't change the URL, it's optional, so it'll just assign a number to the wall, but it is handy when you use walls with more than one class. So if you use it with French, Spanish, or if you use it with 7th grade and 8th grade, so you can always name it, for example, flamenco, and then 7th grade, so you know which class it belongs to, or any other guiding number or letter for you to find and identify it easily. And then we have the privacy settings. So when I build a wall and I want students to work on it, I leave both settings, who can view and who can post, on everyone. Usually, your walls won't be found by anyone right away, so it'll be okay. After your activity is done, you can always come back here and change the who can post to only me. So that way, if you leave it there forever and ever, then no one else can come and either wreck it or play with it or add any more comments or anything to your wall. And if you would like to, but I don't recommend it, because then if you give a homework with the wall and you moderate, you have to, if you choose to moderate every comment, then you have to be there while students are working on it. So you can say, okay, yes, I approve this comment, and it'll appear for them. So I don't recommend it. And over here you can use, that's it, I leave it at that, the preferences. And now the theme, you can choose any background. They're usually pretty bright, so I like to use the darker tones. And that is it. I click on done. And your wall is ready. It's redirected. There it is. So what you need to do to post anything is just, as you see, double click anywhere, and you can post image, audio, video links, or text. So this part of linking will come on the second video. So see you soon. Adios.